This is the Amoretti test kitchen. Let's make a caprese pasta salad. 4 cups boiled pasta, 1 cup cherry tomatoes halved, 1.5 cups fresh mozzarella cheese balls halved, quarter cup Amoretti premium organic extra virgin finishing olive oil, 2 tablespoons chopped basil leaves, half tablespoon chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon chopped jalapeno pepper, 1 tablespoon lime juice or 2 to 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon Amoretti premium pomegranate balsamic vinegar, salt and pepper to taste.